Yes, this is another prefab home, and the first time I saw a prefab home like this with my two kuro eyes was when I visited Abuja in 2024, and I made a video about it, both interior and exterior, and I posted it on social media, and it got a lot of people attention. I mean, millions of people attention. And you know, a prefab home can be moved from one place to another, from Lagos to Abuja. So it is mobile. And my father will always tell me, Victor, a mobility is a necessity, which simply means anything that can be moved from one place to another, it's priceless, which shows freedom. Just like we human beings, we can move from one place to another. And that makes us to be priceless, and that actually gives us freedom. So having a mobile home is a total freedom. I'll be showing you guys both the interior and exterior of this particular prefab home as well, so you can see, and if you like what you see, you can order for it. So follow me guys, let's show you the interior of this mobile home office, and you see how it looks like. So if you like it, comment in the comment section. Wonderful, wonderful. Wow, look at security toilets. Eh? I say I go become security.
Reception here. And
Okay, reception office.
yeah, this is a reception office.
This is a mobile home office, and this is the reception office for the receptionist.
And this is the office
for the main oga, the boss.
Oga, this is the boss.
Okay.
And we also have the toilet here.
For the oga himself.
For the oga, yes.
Wow.
We also have the toilet here.
Interesting. Interesting.
So there's no need for someone to come from the reception to come inside the oga office or to use. We make provision for the reception, the people that's in the reception to also use their bathroom. So in case someone wants to like someone is pressed, so you can be able to also use the restroom also. So that's it.
I noticed something. The way you are speaking, the way you are acting is just like Mr. Prince.
That is my boss. So I also need to work as him also. So this is the security house for it. So the security can be able to also access the toilets in case you want to shower or you want to use the restroom. So you can be able to use it also. So this is the door.
Like
security.
The toilet is just so beautiful to the extent that you can even eat inside this toilet, and this is meant for the security.
Yes, this is meant for the security. Yeah.
Just imagine 5-star hotel toilet.
Yeah, 5-star.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Wow, look at security toilets. Eh? I say I go become security. I want to ask, like, what are the challenges and benefit of this mobile home?
Yeah, the benefit of the mobile home is for Lagos here, for those people that is in Lagos now.
Okay.
They have the advantage of this because of here is a water side. Because most houses in Lagos, water almost normally disturb them.
Yeah, mainly on island.
Yes.
Lekki.
So now, and if you purchase this now, or you pay for this, let them fabricate it for you. It will be more useful for you in case if there is any water incident, you can be able to pull it out from there to save your properties inside. So that is the major reason of this, and it's easy for if you do not have space, you want to rent a space for you to keep it to use it for any of your business or where your workers can be able to stay or anything, instead of you building there and later you end up destroying the building. So this will be more easier because after we finish it, we can be able to do it in your site or we can do it in our own yard, then bring it and dump it and drop it there. Probably you have a space or you don't even have a space. You can easily rent a space to use to fabricate it, and they will drop it there for you when you order your cabin, because we call it mobile home, because it's easily for you to take it to anywhere that you easily have any space. Instead of you to say, okay, you like this environment and you want to stay and there's no building there, you can be able to do the mobile home and they will drop it there for it to be easy for you.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So now, the way you are saying it now,
you are saying it as if it's something that is easy to just carry and just drop anywhere. Like, what's the how difficult is it to move or carry this thing from one place to another?
It's easy now because we have all this high up that used to lift anything movable. They can be able to lift it.
What do you
So
mean by IAB?
they have this motor that used to carry all this container.
Like crane?
Yes, like crane.
Okay.
But if you say crane, the crane, they have bigger one and they have the one that is not big. So the IAB that is not that too big can be able to carry this. So when the IAB, immediately we're done with the fabrication and take it, your IAB can be able to come, or we can be able to get IAB for you that will also come to carry it and drop it in your location. So the thing is easy and it's not that too expensive. If you want to order, it's not that too expensive.
One question, though it sounds stupid or funny, like I hope this thing is not something that anybody can just steal. Maybe you travel or you went for vacation, and before you come back, you just you notice that your mobile home or your mobile office have disappeared. Like, is it not something that people can just steal any day, anytime? Just like how people steal cars. You understand?
It's not easy to steal, but I can't be able to say that maybe it can't be able to go wrong. I don't know. I can't be able to predict, but they can be able to move it to anywhere. So I can't be able to predict whether they can be able to steal it or not.
Okay.
Yes, that's the prediction. Because where you keep your home, probably some place there's security, there's neighbors. So for something like that to want to go on, at least your neighbor or someone that is there, what's going on? Something like that. Because if you are doing in Lagos, the price is also different. If you are doing in Abuja, the price is also different. Because price of things in Abuja is different from price of things in Lagos.
Is price of things in Abuja cheaper?
For now, I think price of things in Abuja is quite cheaper than price of things in Lagos.
Is it because Abuja is the federal capital of Nigeria? What?
Like, I don't know what to say. I don't know why things is more expensive here than Abuja.
Okay. So depending on the location,
Yeah.
the price will be determined by the location, the size, and what else? The specification or what? So now this mobile office, like when you do start constructing this mobile office, like how long does it really, take you to, complete it to this extent?
The fabrication for the let me just say the external work, that is the metal work.
Okay.
So that one can be able to take you in a week. You are done with the outer work, that is the metal work. In a week,
Okay.
you are done with it.
Okay.
So, but for the furnishing and the rest, that will also take you a week. And let me just say 2 weeks. But we can be able to put it like in the form of like 3 weeks, we are done and delivered to your site.
Okay. Then is it also possible for you people to do a fully furnished, mobile home, like the chair, the bed frame, the TV and other stuff like that, the TV console?
Yeah. It's possible for us to furnish it the way you want.
Okay.
So if you say you need bed inside and fully furnish your cushion and everything, we can be able to furnish it, your wardrobe, everything. We'll furnish it and bring it to your location and drop it.
Okay.
So it depends what you want, the offer you want. If you say some people can be able to say they already have their bed and the rest, so they don't need you to furnish for them.
Okay.
But if you want us to furnish and fix everything fixable, so that once we drop, you can be able to carry just your luggage and come and start living inside, we can be able to furnish it for you.
Now I would like to ask you, like, do you people do training? Like, is it possible for people to come and learn how to do these stuff, this prefab home? Like, do you offer trainings to people that are willing to start doing this thing on their own to be like you?
For now, we have not started offering trainings, but as time is going, we'll start offering trainings. And for like very soon, our office will still come to, we still have an office in Lagos here. So
Lagos,
for
yeah.
those people that is in Lagos, so that they can be able to have access to meet us in Lagos. Because most people say that, oh, we are in Abuja, that maybe it's a little bit difficult for us to come down. We go to anywhere to fabricate it for you. And very soon, we will also have an office in Lagos here, so that for those people that is in Lagos, so that they can be able to have access to assessors in Lagos here. If they are like, maybe if they are doubting our,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
if they are doubting our capability for it. So those people in Lagos. So very soon we'll still have an office. But for now, our office is in Abuja. So if you want to locate us, so just come to Abuja, Kuba. That's where our office is.
Okay.
Yes.
What's the materials you guys are using?
The materials made up in, we first of all we'll start with the iron work,
Okay.
because this is built with iron.
What kind of iron, please?
It's just like channel pipe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like I think this is I think the iron you are talking about is like the shipping container.
No, this is not a shipping container. It's just normal this the iron metal rod that they normally use. Yes. So this is not the shipping container.
Wow.
Yeah, and if you watch the plaster, this is the plaster. So on a normal container, you can't be able to plaster it. So they plaster it.
But people do use shipping container too for
Yes,
mobile
we
homes.
also use shipping container also to create. It depends what you want. If you say you have a shipping container in your location, or that's the shipping container that you also want,
Yes.
so we can be able to use shipping container to form it for you. To do,
Okay.
even though you need 2-story building, you can be able to use the shipping container to also do it for you. We started from shipping container before we end up with this.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this simply means that this prefab home can be done with different kind of materials.
With different
it's
kind of
not
material.
limited to shipping container alone.
No, it's not
Okay.
only shipping container, because we also started with shipping container.
Wow.
We also thought that, oh, fine, maybe we can't be able to do without any other material.
Okay.
You get right. So, but on the process of going into it,
Yeah.
we understand that, oh, we can be able to do this with any other material also. It's not
Okay.
only shipping container. You know, most people also do with only shipping container.
Yeah.
If someone comes like, okay, the space of here now is more than shipping container space.
That's true.
You can see it, right?
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
the office now, the size of the office now is like 2.5 by 3 meter. You can see it now. So it's bigger than shipping container space.
And how solid is the material itself? Like how solid is this material that is being used for this
The material
mobile
that we use
office?
here is very solid, because if it's not solid, the high up the high up that want to carry it,
Yeah.
can't be able to lift it. It will end up collapsing.
So where you even notice or discover if if the materials are not strong or are not solid is when they want to carry the
Yes, when they want to carry it, you know,
Oh,
if
so
something
when
is
they
not
want
strong,
to move it, yeah.
yeah, if something is not strong, you want to move it, you will end up collapsing.
Okay.
You get it? Because you are going to lift it above before you now drop it to the car, to the high up
Okay.
that is going to carry it, or to the, if it is trailer, if it is going somewhere that is a little bit far and road is good, trailer can be able to transport it to anywhere that you want if the road is good.
Okay.
Yes.
Then I want to ask, like, does it mean like this iron material is like kind of cheaper compared to the shipping container material?
The iron material is a little bit, I can't be able to say it's a little bit cheap. Okay, no, the iron material is a little bit cheaper than the shipping container.
Wow.
Yes, it's a little bit cheaper than the shipping container, because shipping container now, I don't even know how much they're getting a one of it, but to fabricate for the iron,
Yeah.
is more cheaper than the shipping container.
Shipping container.
Yes.
Okay. And now this iron, like, I want to know the materials being used for this prefab home, like, are they local made? Like, is it from Nigeria or you guys, import?
All material that we use there, everything is from Nigeria.
So you don't import
We don't
any
import
materials
any
from
material. We use material
abroad?
here in Nigeria. No, all material is made in Nigeria.
Wow, this is a very good one, Mr.
Chima.
Chima. Chima, what's the meaning of Chima in English? Wisdom.
Is Chima is just like God.
God.
But the
Wow.
full form is just my Chima Obi. That is God knows my heart.
God knows my heart.
Yeah.